In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a check for owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances effectively is a crucial part of running any business, and QuickBooks Online offers powerful tools to make this process easier. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your bookkeeping skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of recording an owner's draw by writing a check in QuickBooks Online. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the process. First, open QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll find the New button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From these options, select Check. Next, you'll be taken to the Check Entry screen. In the Pay field, you'll need to enter the owner's name as the payee. This is important because it specifies who the check is being issued to. Once you've entered the payee's name, scroll down to the Category Details section. Here, you'll assign the appropriate category for the transaction. Select Owner's Draw as the category. This ensures the withdrawal is correctly classified for accounting purposes. It's essential to double-check that the category you've chosen is linked to an equity account, not an expense account. Using an equity account properly reflects the owner's draw in your financial records, so take a moment to confirm this step. Now, enter the withdrawal amount in the Amount field. Be sure to type it in carefully to avoid errors. If you'd like, you can also include a brief memo in the designated field. Adding a note with the purpose or month of the draw can be helpful for keeping your records clear and organized. If you are writing a physical check, enter the check number in the appropriate field. Alternatively, if you plan to print the check directly from QuickBooks, select the Print Later option. Before finalizing the transaction, carefully review all the details you've entered. Double-check the payee name, category, withdrawal amount, and either the check number or the Print Later selection. Taking a moment to verify these details can save you from potential errors down the line. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to finish, or choose Save and New if you need to record another transaction right away. And that's it! You've successfully written a check for owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.